Did you know upgrading your car's infotainment system can completely transform your driving experience? With Apple CarPlay, you can access your favorite apps, get real-time navigation, make hands-free calls, and enjoy your favorite playlists all from one sleek touchscreen display. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best Apple CarPlay screens of 2025, whether you want a portable wireless display or a full dash-mounted upgrade. When shopping for an Apple CarPlay screen, look for a screen with a high-resolution panel, think clear, sharp visuals like 1920 by 1080 or better, that ensures your maps, music, and notifications are easy to read at a glance. We'll explore which screen gives you the best performance, display quality, connectivity, and value for money. So, if you're ready to give your car a smart, modern upgrade, stick around till the end. Which feature matters most to you in a CarPlay screen, display size, wireless connection, or sound quality? Let us know in the comments.
Number 5.
The SJoyBring Apple CarPlay Screen 7-inch transforms every drive into an unforgettable experience, where technology, comfort, and emotion come together. Feel truly connected with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you effortless access to maps, music, calls, and messages through Bluetooth, all hands-free with Siri or Google Assistant. The breathtaking 7-inch QLED HD display, 1280 by 720, turns your dashboard into a cinematic screen, vibrant visuals, and supports 1080 pixels video playback, making navigation and media clearer than ever, day or night. With its 4.2-channel high-fidelity sound system and dual subwoofer support, you'll feel the rhythm of every beat, perfectly tuned through advanced EQ settings for a sound that moves you. Safety is always in focus, with front and rear camera support, including a night vision backup camera that automatically assists you in the dark. And with steering wheel control integration, you can stay focused on the road while keeping full command. More than just a CarPlay screen, it's your companion for every journey, turning every drive into something you'll feel, see, and remember.
Number 4.
The PLZ Apple CarPlay Screen 7-inch turns every drive into a smarter, safer, and more inspiring journey. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your car connects to your phone automatically when you start the engine, letting you navigate with Google Maps or Waze, stream music from Spotify, and use Siri, Google Assistant hands-free so you stay focused on the road. Feel every note come alive through its built-in DSP and 4.2-channel 240 watts preamp, delivering breathtaking sound with dual subwoofer outputs and a 10-band EQ that lets you craft the perfect tone for your ride. The Bluetooth 5.3 module with an external antenna ensures clearer calls and faster, more stable wireless streaming. The stunning 7-inch IPS touchscreen lights up your dashboard with sharp, vivid color, whether you're following a route or mirroring your favorite apps. With a dazzling resolution of 1024 by 600, every image and video comes to life with stunning clarity, vivid colors, and breathtaking detail. Designed for those who believe driving should feel as good as it sounds, this CarPlay screen brings together technology, emotion, and pure driving joy in every mile.
Number 3.
The IIWEY 11 Ultra Slim Apple CarPlay Screen 11-inch redefines what driving feels like, turning every moment behind the wheel into a blend of technology, beauty, and peace of mind. With the largest and thinnest 0.16-inch touchscreen in its class and a stunning 1280 by 800 resolution, your dashboard transforms into a modern, elegant command center alive with color and clarity. Experience effortless connection through wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you instant, hands-free access to navigation, music, calls, and messages with Siri or Google Assistant, so your focus always stays on the road. The IIWEY 11 doesn't just entertain, it protects, with a 4K front dash cam and 1080 pixels backup camera offering crystal clear recording and dynamic parking guidelines for total confidence in every drive. With built-in 64GB storage, you can capture and save your journeys with ease, while Bluetooth, AUX, and FM audio options ensure rich, immersive sound however you listen. Perfect for drivers who want luxury-level innovation without changing their car setup, the IIWEY 11 brings together style, safety, and smart connectivity, making every trip smoother, safer, and more meaningful.
Number 2.
The Volam CarPlay Screen 10.25-inch turns every drive into a luxurious, connected, and unforgettable journey. With built-in Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, and more, you can enjoy your favorite shows, music, or live sports right from your dashboard. No phone mirroring, no limits, just connect to your hotspot and dive into entertainment wherever the road takes you. Its ultra-thin in-cell 1920 by 720 HD display shines with stunning clarity and rich color, making maps brighter, videos sharper, and your car feel truly premium. Stay effortlessly in control with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and let Siri or Google Assistant handle your calls, playlists, and directions so you can focus on the joy of driving. Safety remains your co-pilot, thanks to a 1080 pixels backup camera and customizable parking guidelines that make every maneuver feel secure and confident. With true split-screen mode, the driver can navigate while passengers stream videos. And with instant wake technology and customizable wallpapers, every startup feels personal, fast, and beautifully yours. Designed for drivers who believe the journey should be as exciting as the destination, the Volam screen brings intelligence, emotion, and elegance together in every ride.
Number 1.
The HAUXIY Apple CarPlay Screen 9-inch brings new life to every drive, blending smart technology, safety, and simplicity in one elegant upgrade without changing your car's original system. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can navigate, call, message, and stream music effortlessly using Siri or Google Assistant, keeping your focus where it matters most on the road ahead. The built-in 4K front dash cam and 1080 pixels night vision backup camera provide crystal clear views and peace of mind, while the collision sensor automatically locks vital footage when it matters most. Whether you're listening through Bluetooth, AUX, FM, or the internal speakers, every song sounds alive and every word comes through clearly. Mirror Link lets you bring your favorite apps right to the big screen, and the plug-and-play setup makes installation quick, no wiring, no hassle, just mount and drive. With real-time GPS navigation guiding your way, you'll always feel confident on every journey. Designed for cars, trucks, and vans alike, the HAUXIY 9-inch CarPlay screen turns every trip, short or long, into a smoother, safer, and more connected experience you'll truly enjoy. In conclusion, here's a comparison of the 5 CarPlay screen upgrades: SJoyBring, PLZ, IIWEY 11 Ultra Slim, Volam, and HAUXIY, and what stands out to help you decide which one is better for your needs. SJoyBring offers a 7Q LED display, 1280 by 720, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4.2-channel audio output, dual subwoofer support, and backup camera input. PLZ 7 Doubled-In boasts wireless CarPlay Android Auto, a QLED screen, 1280 by 720, supports 1920 by 1080, and strong audio spec, 240 watts, 4.2 channels, 2 subwoofer outs, plus Bluetooth 5.3. IIWEY 11 Ultra Slim brings an 11 screen, 1280 by 800, with Ultra Slim 0.16-inch profile, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, plus built-in 4K front dashcam and 1080 pixels rear cam. Volam offers a large 10.25 screen, 1920 by 720, with built-in entertainment apps, Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, plus CarPlay Android Auto, aiming more at entertainment plus navigation. HAUXIY gives a 9-screen with wireless CarPlay Android Auto, 4K front dashcam plus 1080 pixels backup cam, mirror link, voice control, etc. Upgrade your drive. Stay connected. Drive smarter. That's all for now, see you in the next one.